I'm Stephen Foskett, organizer of Tech Field Day and publisher of Gestalt IT. Our next Cloud Field Day event is September 21st through 23rd, and I hope you can tune in live or watch the recordings. Here's a quick overview of what to look forward to. Cloud Field Day is our opportunity to look at the next generation of IT, from the enterprise to the public cloud, and everything in the stack. Cloud Field Day events show the many ways that cloud technology is impacting enterprise tech, and that's certainly the case in September. We'll have a wide variety of companies and technologies to tell you about. The event is broadcast live at techfieldday.com starting at 8 a.m. Pacific Time, Wednesday through Friday, and we'll have more presentations each day, wrapping up in early afternoon. Cloud Field Day begins Wednesday with Prosimo at 8 Pacific. Prosimo is modernizing cloud networking for the multi-cloud era, and they'll walk through the challenges enterprises face when interconnecting across regions and clouds. Next up is Google Cloud. This global cloud leader is increasingly focused on the needs of the modern enterprise, and we can't wait to dive in. We'll wrap up after lunch with Kentik at 2:30 p.m. A frequent networking field day presenter, Kentik is the leader in enterprise observability and is bringing this technology to bear in the cloud. On Thursday, we'll have Stormforge returning at 8 a.m. They wowed the delegates in February with their ML-powered approach to Kubernetes efficiency, and they've taken it further in just a few months. Then we'll have Amazon Web Services joining for a special presentation at 10 a.m. We'll have Commvault presenting at 1:30 p.m. This global leader in data readiness has been a familiar face at Tech Field Day for nearly a decade. On Friday, we'll hear from RackN at 8 a.m. They're delivering the promise of infrastructure as code in the enterprise, building self-service infrastructure on Kubernetes and scaling it across sites and teams with infrastructure pipelines. We'll close out with a Cloud Field Day roundtable discussion, giving the delegates a chance to share their observations on the state of enterprise cloud. All of our sessions are broadcast live at techfieldday.com as well as our LinkedIn page. They're also recorded and shared at youtube.com/techfieldday after the event. We welcome participation on Twitter using hashtag CFD15. You can learn more about the event and our panel of independent technical influencers by visiting techfieldday.com. Each of our delegates has their own blog, podcast, or social media platform where they share their thoughts on enterprise technology and services from storage to networking and beyond. Thank you for joining Cloud Field Day live September 21st through 23rd or on our social media channels. While you're at our website, please subscribe to our mailing list for more great Tech Field Day news, and please follow us on Twitter or join our LinkedIn page to follow along.